Today we will see English Fairy textbook. This is of Macmillan's Education of 3rd standard CBSE syllabus. In this we will see Fun and Travel Chapter 3, A Visit to Jaipur. Chapter 3, A Visit to Jaipur. Warm up. Pick the mode of transport that you would use to travel long distances. Discuss your choices in class. Reading. Let us read the letter that Riya writes to Raja about her trip to Jaipur. To Fairview Apartment, Kolkata, 21st March 2019. Dear Raja, how are you? I have been missing you very much since you left school and joined Sevenoaks Schools in London. Do you like your new school? Have you made some new friends? Day. Earlier this month we had a long break. My dad decided to take us all to Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan, for a few days. We wanted to enjoy some Rajasthani food and catch a glimpse of Rajasthani culture. From Kolkata, we took a plane to New Delhi and then hired a car till Jaipur. Though Jaipur has a large airport, we wanted to enjoy a road trip. You see, Dad had booked 2 rooms in the tourist lodge run by the Rajasthan Tourism Board. We arrived in the evening and decided to rest for the night. Early next morning, we went to visit the Amber Fort. We took a taxi to the beautiful fort that was about 10 kilometers away from our hotel. Dad had a local guide who told us about this old fort and its history as we walked to the fort. The magnificent fort comprises a palace complex built from pale yellow and pink stones. This palace complex is divided into 4 sections, each with its own country yard. We entered Amber Fort through the Surajpal Sun Gate, which leads to Jalip Chowka main country yard. This area could be viewed by women from the windows of the palace. From Jalip Chowka, a beautiful stairway leads up to the main palace. We were happy that the guide was with us as there were many narrow alleys and confusing turns. He took us through the various country yards, alleys and temples of the fort. These had brilliant mirror works and stone patterns. Our next stop was the Hawa Mahal, the Palace of the Winds. It was built by Maharaja Sawai Pratap Singh in 1799. The Hawa Mahal is made up of red and pink stones, and from the outside it looks like a beautiful honeycomb. Every room in this palace has different colored marble walls. The royal ladies used to watch processions and festivals from the 953 windows that were built for them. They were not permitted to mix with the commoners outside. Since it was past lunchtime and we had breakfast long back, we were very hungry. Our driver suggested a restaurant that served traditional Rajasthani food. We were in for a pleasant surprise as the food was served on silverware. The royal interiors with golden and marble panels on the walls took us back in time. We had pious tea, kachori, deep fried flour dough filled with fried onions and spices, gatte ki sabji, chickpea dumplings cooked in spicy sauce and rice, We also drank soothing, mildly flavored buttermilk. The restaurant had an outdoor seating arrangement, so we watched the beautiful sunset that evening. We were also very happy to be eating such a royal food in a superb place. The next day, we visited the city palace, the Jantar Mantar and the Mansagar lake. The city of Jaipur is bright and colorful with beautiful palaces, temples, forts and hills. I will write to you about the second day of our visit in my next letter. I hope you enjoyed reading my letter. I would love to know how your holiday went. Lots of love, Ria. Honeycomb, beehive, processions, people or vehicles moving forward in a queue. Reading comprehension, fill in the blanks. Ria was missing Raja. Raja had joined Seven Oaks in London. Ria's father wanted to take a road trip from New Delhi to Jaipur. The palace complex in the Amber Fort is divided into 4 sections. Ria entered Amber Fort through the Suraj Pal Sun Gate. Answer these questions. Where does Ria stay? What did the local guide show Ria and her family? Who had built the Hawa Mahal? What does it look like from the outside? Why was Ria in for a surprise at the restaurant? List the things Ria had for lunch. Think and answer with your elbow partner. Why do you think Ria and her family were taken back in time? Values and life skills. We need to protect our ancient palaces and monuments as they preserve our culture and tradition. In order to protect our tradition, we need to follow certain rules. Do you know what you should do when you visit an important palace or monument? Tick the things that you should do and cross the things that you should not. You can complete this activity. Vocabulary, cross out the odd words. You can complete this. Next comes grammar. Read these sentences. Notice the highlighted words. The city of Jaipur is bright and colorful. The Hawa Mahal is made up of red and pink stones. I wake up early in the morning. The guide takes tourists around the fort. These sentences tell us that these actions are happening right now or these actions happen very often. These sentences are in simple present tense. Some words that indicate simple present tenses are every day, every Sunday, daily, usually, always and never. Now read these sentences. Notice the highlighted words. We took a plane to New Delhi. Earlier this month we had a long break. We arrived in the evening. These sentences tell us that these actions happened in the past. These sentences are in simple past tense. Some words that indicate simple past tense are yesterday, last summer, in 2018 and last winter. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verbs. I walked 2 kilometers yesterday. He helped the old man after the accident. Earth moves around the sun. My grandmother went to our uncle's house last Sunday. We watched a film yesterday. She washes her car every weekend. Write PR for sentences in simple present tense and write P for the sentences in simple past tense. Amit and Rhythm play cricket every Sunday. PR. I love vanilla ice cream. PR. The thirsty bird drank water from the lake. Present. Kajal lives in Mumbai. PR. The snake hissed angrily at the mongoose. P. Shika sings for 2 hours every day. PR. Speaking. Look up the internet and find out 3 interesting facts about Jaipur. Now tell your classmates about them. Pronunciation. Read this set of words aloud. Pay attention to the highlighted letters. Elephant, dolphin, graph, phone, peasant, spear, laugh, enough, rough, tough, cough, throw. The letters PH and GH have the F sound in these words. Punctuation. Read these sentences. Father said, we are going to spend some time in Jaipur. Riya said, I will eat a kachori. Tom commanded, stand up. Mother smiled and said, I have made chocolate pudding for you. In these sentences, the exact words of the speaker are quoted. We use a comma before the exact words of the speaker. Now add the commas to these sentences. You can complete. Dictionary skills. You have learnt that we arrange words in the alphabetical order by looking at the first letter of the words. Okay. When the first letter of the words are of the same, we arrange the words in alphabetical order by looking at the second letter of the words. For example, here CA, CL, CO, CR. When the first and second letter of the words are same, we arrange the words in the alphabetical order by looking at the third letter of the word here. The third letter. Arrange the words in each set in alphabetical order. You can complete. Writing. Imagine that you have visited a new place. Write a paragraph to describe the place and your experience here. This is an activity which you can complete. Next, rainy days. Rainy days are one of my favorite days. The sight of sky turning dark and the low roar of thunder delight me. I like to dance and play in the rain with my friends. I enjoy the feeling of raindrop on my skin. I also love the smell of wet earth. I eagerly wait for rainy days every year. My word bank. Write the synonyms of these words. Large, big, huge, pattern, design, mild, soft or gentle, royal, it is rich. Yes, this completes the chapter. Thank you.